Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin is predicting trouble. Let's dive into the latest events. It's a short step from sublime to the ridiculous. At the beginning of October, Bitcoin was still at record highs. Derivatives were counting on it rallying to 140,000 by the end of the year. However, 2 weeks later, the situation has turned upside down. Demand is growing for hedging against a further decline in cryptocurrency. Even the steady recovery of U.S. stock indices and the growth of global risk appetite are not helping. The main reasons for the fall in Bitcoin are declining confidence in crypto institutions, capital flowing into the gold market, and the escalation of the trade conflict between the U.S. and China. Donald Trump's intention to impose 100% tariffs caused the S&P 500 and Bitcoin prices to plummet. Reassuring comments from the White House officials only temporarily helped the cryptocurrency, after which it resumed its move south. One of the drivers of Bitcoin's rise to record highs was the so-called debasement trade. The loss of confidence in bonds and fiat currencies forced investors to look for alternatives in the crypto and precious metals sectors. Over time, it became clear that gold performs better as a safe haven asset than its digital counterpart. The decline in confidence in financial institutions in the digital asset sphere fueled the fire. Losses from corporate investments in cryptocurrency are estimated at $17 billion. Michael Saylor's strategy and similar companies overestimated the value of shares at the time of issue. It exceeded the value of cryptocurrency reserves by 3 to 4 times. Currently, the ratio has fallen to 1.4. One of the largest exchanges, Binance, faced disruptions and price discrepancies. This led to a loss of money for its customers. The escalation of the trade conflict between the US and China, the transfer of capital from the digital asset market to the gold market, and the decline in investor confidence in companies were the main reasons for the collapse of cryptocurrencies. Their total capitalization fell by $600 billion in a week. There are rumors in the market that Bitcoin is a canary in a coal mine. Its collapse signals impending problems in the global economy. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the crypto markets. Like, share, and subscribe.